There is a ton of people right now who say that AMC is going to zero. But I think, in my opinion, covering AMC for the last 5 to 6 years on this YouTube channel, I don't think that's correct. And let me give you a few reasons why I think that is. Welcome back to Finance Bro. My name's Kyle. In this video, we're going to be going over AMC. We're going to do a little bit of technical analysis at the end of this video to give you an idea of what AMC is going to do in the next 24 to 48 hours. Plus, we're going to be covering a few different news articles about AMC to cover why people are so negative about this stock right now specifically, and potentially why I think they're, well, wrong. So first things first, if you haven't already, make sure to join our Discord with the first link down in the description. Once you guys join our Discord, you'll then be looking at this. All you simply have to do is head over to the Join Us tab, click any of the links in this text chat, and then once you get in there, this is how you're going to get access to our daily buy and sell alerts. You can either go with our premium monthly membership or our premium yearly membership, and I recommend going with the monthly membership just to kind of dip your feet in and try it out. If you don't like it, you can always cancel at any time, no strings attached. All you have to do is hit this upgrade button, log in with your Discord, enter in your payment details, and you'll be ready to go to get access to our buy and sell alerts. If you check out the gains channel, these are some of the gains that our members are doing. And again, we did a little bit over 400% in overall gains this week, which was very, very impressive. But let's get back to AMC. And of course, who else would it be to talk negatively about AMC? None other than Jim Cramer, who of course is infamous for being, just the most accurate stock guru out there, right? I say that jokingly. Of course, Jim Cramer is very prolific and known for his stock takes that end up pretty much going the opposite way that everyone is expecting them to go every single time. If he says something is going up, it's probably going down. And if he says something is going down, well, it's probably going up. Here's what Jim Cramer has to say about AMC right now. He says basically that you should sell AMC Entertainment Holdings. Let's get a bit of a more in-depth look than just the news headline there. So we recently published a list of 11 stocks that Jim Cramer is bearish on. Since AMC ranks 10th on the list, it deserves a deeper look. But first, let's see what Jim Cramer is saying about the broader economic situation. So as far as the overall economy goes right now, Jim Cramer is in a program earlier this month said that the overall bulls market want the economy to slow down. They want rate cuts as well as strong demand so that their companies won't have to worry about the yield curve and macroeconomic situation. Cramer highlighted that all of this is confusing as it's not possible to have a weaker economy, and yet we still see companies make a lot of money. Cramer also pointed to the latest data showing slowing manufacturing activity. The Institute of Supply Management Manufacturing Purchases Manager Index fell to about 48.7 in May from a 49.2% overall number, which that's not that much of a decrease, but of course, Cramer is citing that as a substantial one. And basically, Cramer goes on to say basically that the overall economy isn't, exactly where the bulls want it to be. And because of that, he doesn't think that stocks like AMC or any of these other kind of meme stocks are going to have a long-term future. But let's read specifically about what he has to say about AMC. So a caller recently asked Jim Cramer about AMC Entertainment Holdings, and this is what Cramer had to say. He said, "I want you to sell, take your capital out." Cramer said that the balance sheet of AMC Entertainment Holdings is not good, and the box office numbers are horrendous. AMC's Entertainment Holdings shares flew to the moon temporarily. Of course, they had to highlight that, following the return of Roaring Kitty on Twitter. However, the stock is down about 21% for the year as AMC's Entertainment Holdings warned a weaker Q2 as strikes slashed the numbers of film releases in that period. And again, guys, that is the main reason why film releases haven't been so plentiful this year, is because there are, of course, strikes going on. So once those strikes have subsided, and once we have, we've seen those studios and actors reach deals that are, beneficial for both of them as far as pay goes, we're going to see more movies get created in the first place, which only means that more people go to the box office and more people will consume movies in general. Now, as far as what I think about what Cramer just said, I just don't really understand. I understand it from a long-term investing perspective. But again, for most people here, the AMC is not a retirement or a blue chip stock. This is a stock that people trade off of momentum. This is a stock that people trade off of the kind of bouncing in price that we've been seeing lately. And in general, too, this is just kind of one of those gambling stocks, right? I don't think there's anything wrong with people who want to throw in 100 or 200 bucks into AMC and see what happens, right? But I do want to warn everyone that if you do that, don't be surprised if AMC does either nothing at all, right? The price doesn't go anywhere, or if you end up losing money, right? Don't be surprised with that, because even though Jim Cramer does have some points about the balance sheet being horrible, the financials of this company are not exactly great. And because of that, it is important to manage your risk with these types of trades and with these types of plays. Don't just blindly hope that one day AMC is going to shoot back up to $6.90 like it did back here with the GameStop rally. Unless we see Roaring Kitty continue to posture himself in a more bullish way on GameStop, that's kind of what most of the momentum and the overall price action is tied to right now, right? It's tied to AMC and GameStop directly. And if we see those future breakouts, we could see those push back up to the, $5, $6 to $7 range. But again, that's heavily dependent on what GME is doing. And I believe right now the overall stock of GME is basically trading about the same, a little bit more bullish than AMC was on that specific chart. That's my opinion, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Make sure to join our free Discord with the first link down in the description. Once you guys get in, head over to the Join Us tab and then click any of these links to get access to our daily buy and sell alerts. Once you get inside of here, you can either pick between the premium monthly membership or the premium yearly membership, hit the upgrade button and log in with your Discord, and you should be ready to go. See you guys in there. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.